Hi, everyone. My name is Sharon, and my name is Eddie, and we're going to talk about the importance of helping mom and dad, like the last videos I told you, to help wash dishes and put away your toys. Yes, and today we're going to talk about how we can help out with the laundry. Yes, how we can help with the laundry. I like helping my mom with the laundry, Sharon. You do? Yes, I do. With that being said, let's get on with it. Yes, let's get on with it. First off, we might not be able to actually sort the clothes and put them in the dryer or washing machine because we don't want to hurt ourselves. And that might require our mom and dads to help us. Yep, it might require them to help us. And with that being said, just make sure you ask, Mom, would you like me to fold the clothes? Because it looks like you got a lot of clothes there. Yeah, but don't laugh when you do it. You don't want to get them upset. Sometimes moms and dads are tired of constantly doing things. You're right, but we definitely got to help fold those clothes. You know? Even if we can't fold them, we can probably ask where we can put them. Yes, we can put them in the right place for our moms and dads. That way, we're helping out. Yes, helping out. Oh boy, as I look though, I don't think I'm really in the mood for folding. Well, lucky I don't have to iron anything. Right? Tell us about it. With that being said, bye now. Bye bye. Boy, so glad we don't gotta do the laundry. Actually, let's sneak out right now. I know, right? Our moms and dads are not even here. And then we can, when they get home, be like, hey, you need any help with the laundry? All right, shh, be quiet now, Sharon. You know your voice is kind of big. Yeah. Shh. Anyway, help mom and dad, okay? Yeah, help mom and dad. Bye bye.